Some affiliate programs pay way more from one sale than even Amazon pays from hundreds. Now, don't get me wrong, Amazon is great and all, but let me ask you this. Would you rather make $3 and have to make about 100 sales to get something tangible, or would you rather be able to make $150 from just a single sale? In this video, I'm about to show you 9 affiliate programs where beginners are making serious money per sale, and number 7 literally pays you up to $150 for just one referral. The first one is Digistore24. Now, Digistore24 is basically a marketplace filled with digital products. We're talking about online courses, ebooks, products, you name it. Vendors list their products, you promote them, and you get paid. And here's where it gets juicy. You can have commissions up to 100%. An average of course, around 50 to 60%, but a lot of products go even higher in terms of commission. Now, one sale on Digistore24 can easily pay you $50 to $200. It's free to join, and they have over 8,500 offers in different niches. And again, they pay up to 3 times a week, which means even faster cash flow. Now, this particular affiliate marketplace is best for online courses, self-improvement, health supplements, business tools. Now, one pro tip is you want to look for products with high earning per sale metric and high CAC conversion rates. This will help indicate that these products are already selling and converting well for other affiliates. Now, how to start? You simply click on Get Started on Digistore24. You fill in your details, you browse to the marketplace, and you filter by your niche. Then you want to grab your affiliate link by clicking Copy Promo Link over here. Then you can start promoting through your blog, YouTube, TikTok, email, wherever or whatever platform you are on. Now, with Digistore24, you can get paid via PayPal or bank transfer once you hit at least $50 in commission. Now, the next on the list is ClickBank. ClickBank is basically the OG of affiliate marketing because it's been around for a really long time. It's another affiliate marketplace where vendors put up their products and you just pick up the affiliate link. But ClickBank has a reputation for high commissions and tons of offers. Most of these commissions pay between 50% to 75% commission, and some even hit 100% on the front end with upsells on the back. Now, beginners love this because it's super easy approval. You just want to sign up and you are in. There's also like a massive selection of products across different niches, the health and finance, e-business and e-marketing, spirituality, and the likes, many more. They also have a gravity score, which shows you how many affiliates are making sales with that product. Now, in terms of the gravity score, you want to aim for between 20 to 100 for a sweet spot of demand that will not have crazy competition and that is still in demand. Now, ClickBank is actually best for health and wellness, weight loss, self-improvement, survival, and online business tools. Now, one pro tip about ClickBank is you want to avoid the spammy stuff. ClickBank kind of has some questionable products. So just stick to offers with solid reviews, low refund rates, and real testimonial because your reputation matters. Now, how do you start? To do that, you easily want to go need a ClickBank account, create an account here. After which you want to browse the marketplace, and of course, you want to sort by gravity score or average earnings per sale, depending on the niche that you're going for. Then you want to click Get Affiliate Link to get your affiliate link. You also, of course, want to check the affiliate page as well as the sales page just to know if it's actually a product that you want to promote. You want to do this for any kind of product you're promoting that you are not so certain about. Now, you can promote your products through content or social media, and you get paid weekly or bi-weekly once you hit a $10 minimum. Now, the third on the list is PartnerStack. Now, what is PartnerStack? PartnerStack is also a marketplace, but this time it is a platform that connects you with SaaS companies. What are SaaS companies? SaaS companies are software as a service to companies. You want to think email marketing software, customer relation management software, project management tools, design platforms. You are promoting tools that businesses actually need. Now, commission may vary based on company, but a lot of them pay about 15 to 30% recurring. or flat rate payouts per referral. And these flat rate payouts could be from $50 to up to $500 plus per referral. And since many of these are subscriptions you earn every month, that person stays subscribed. Now, beginners love this because it has clean and easy to use dashboard. You are promoting tools that you are probably already using, like Mailchimp alternatives, HubSpot, project management software, of course, depending on your niche. And you have access to big name SaaS brands, which is SaaS brands that are already reliable, SaaS brands that already have a good reputation. So those brands are already, vetted. Now, PartnerStack is best for software tools, creator tools, business automation tools, email marketing, and CRMs. You can see monday.com, you can see ManyChat, you can see apollo.io, and many more. Now, one pro tip is you want to focus on promoting tools that you've already used, because your personal experience makes your content way more authentic and trustworthy. Now, how do you sign up is super easy. You want to head up to PartnerStack, click on Get Started. Sign up is literally free. You choose I'm a partner, I want to join programs and earn commission. You follow through the process and you apply to the network marketplace. Your approval usually comes within a few days. You can also get access to your affiliate link. Then you can get paid monthly via PayPal, direct deposits, or other methods. However, do note that for this kind of marketplaces, because you're working with reputable brand, you already need to have some form of established niche audience that can actually close sales for the kind of tools that PartnerStack hosts. It could be a blog, it could be a YouTube channel, it could be social media. Now, the next one on the list is Impact. Now, Impact is a partnership automation platform that connects affiliates with premium brands. It's quite similar to PartnerStack because it's not just where you go and pick random digital products. You actually deal with brands like real companies in tech, in finance, software as a service, and subscription companies. Now, for the commission rate, it actually varies widely depending on the brand. But we are talking about much higher commission than Amazon. Some brands could pay up to $100 plus per sale, like a flat payout, while others may pay recurring commission. It all depends on the partnership. Now, Impact is best for digital tools, finance apps, subscription boxes, software as a service, and business services. Now, here is a pro tip. You want to apply to brands that fit your niche. There are a lot of brands on Impact. You don't just want to pick any random one just because you are familiar with it. You want to apply to the one that fits your niche. Focus on what your audience really needs. Now, how to start? You can simply click on Get Started today to sign up on impact.com, follow all the process, and you can browse available partnership and apply to the ones you like. You get approved, and you can then use your tracking links and get paid monthly based on your performance. Now, the fifth one is Systemi.io. Now, this is an all-in-one marketing platform. You want to think sales funnel, email marketing, course hosting, membership site, all in one tool. Is basically a cheaper alternative to things like ClickFunnels, and the commission rate is 60% affiliate commission and lifetime recurring commission for as long as they stay subscribed. That is passive income at its finest that compounds over time. Now, beginners love this because the platform itself is beginner friendly and there is no minimum payout. You get paid monthly via PayPal or wire transfer. Now, Systemi.io is best for course creators, coaches, digital product sellers, email marketers, online entrepreneurs. Now, how to start is you can just click start for free right now. You don't need to be a paying customer. And you go to your affiliate dashboard, grab your link, and you can promote through tutorials or reviews or comparison content, whatever you want to. And you can get paid monthly once you hit $30 in commission. But after that, there is no minimum after that. Now, the sixth affiliate program on this list is StanStore. Now, StanStore is like a tool that lets creators sell digital products online, also courses and bookings through like a simple link in bio style. It's literally like huge with influencers, coaches, and content creators. Now, the commission rate for StanStore is 20% recurring commission on every subscription you refer. And your referral link is usually in your standard store. You don't need to apply differently. So once you have a standard store account, you can have your referral link. beginners love this because it's like really easy to promote. It's like a referral kind of style. You're promoting something that solves a real problem, something that you can even possibly be using, and then you get your monthly payout. Now, to start, you just want to click sign up at tan.store. You get your referral link, you promote through your social media, YouTube, or your blog content, and you get paid. Now, the seventh one on this list is Shopify. Now, Shopify is also an e-commerce platform. You want to sell products online, you want to sell digital products. Shopify is something that you can use for that. It's a well-known leading e-commerce store, and you can earn a one-time payout of about up to $150 for every eligible referral. And of course, beginners love this because Shopify is a trusted name. And of course, because of how well known it is, it's easier to create tutorial content around it. And again, you get paid monthly via PayPal. Now, for Shopify, it's best for e-commerce tutorials, online businesses, dropshipping, and product sellers. Now, how do you start? You can simply start by going to apply now. So you can see here you want to sign up and follow through the process, and you get approved. When you get approved, you can access your dashboard. It's also powered by Impact as well. So this is like literally still under Impact. Now, the eighth on the list is Fiverr affiliate. Now, I've actually done a video in the past about Fiverr affiliate marketing, but if you would like me to do like an in-depth video on how you can start promoting with Fiverr affiliate, then comment the word Fiverr in the comment section. And if I get, enough requests on that, then maybe I'll consider doing a video on that. Now, what is Fiverr? Fiverr, it's a freelance marketplace where you can hire people for almost literally anything. You want people to create content for you, it's on Fiverr. You want people to design something for you, it's on Fiverr. And the commission rate with Fiverr affiliate may vary. Of course, it depends on the plan that the person signs up for. You can see there's the Fiverr, there's the Fiverr Pro, and there's the logo maker. But the commissions are really tangible. Now, why do beginners love this? Number one, it's in massive demand. A lot of businesses and creators are looking for freelancers. So Fiverr is like a really reputable platform for that. And this is best for freelancing, online business, entrepreneurs, small business owners, creators. So if you are in that niche that caters to this category of people, then this is something that would really be a great opportunity to leverage on. Now, one pro tip is you don't just want to go get your Fiverr affiliate link and just promote Fiverr. Instead, you want to promote specific services like a specific voiceover artist. In fact, a specific gig, to be much more precise. That performs way better. And how do you start? You simply want to sign up by clicking join now. Then you want to get approved. And once you get approved, you can grab your affiliate link and promote through whether blog posts, YouTube, or social media, and you get paid monthly. What you need is just content that highlight specific Fiverr services or freelancers. Now, the ninth one is Selar or Gumroad digital marketplace. Now, there are specific marketplaces that caters specifically for like digital products, and we have things like Selar, Gumroad, and these platforms, which like Selar is huge in Africa, although it's region based, mostly caters for African creators. Then Gumroad and other digital marketplaces that let creators sell ebooks, templates, courses, and more. Now, the commission rate actually depends because with these particular marketplaces, creators actually decide the extent of percentage that they want to give affiliates. So it could typically be from 30% to 50% depending on the creator. Platforms like Selar are really growing fast in specific region. In fact, I've done a video on how to leverage Selar affiliate marketing. I'm going to attach it to the end of this video in case you want to start out with that. It's best for course creators, digital product sellers, educators, ebook authors. So if your niche caters to those category of people, then this could be a good fit for you. For Selar, you want to click on the affiliate network. You need to actually have a selar.com account, and you need to pay a certain fee. You need to pay 3,000 Nigerian naira, or depending on your country though, but you need to pay a certain fee in order to access the marketplace. And once you access the marketplace, you'll be able to just grab your link from any creator's product. Now with Gumroad, it's easy to access the marketplace. You just need to go to products. Of course, you need to already be signed up to Gumroad.com. Then you go to affiliated, and this is where you click become an affiliate. then you can, go to the Gumroad Discover page, and whichever product you want to promote, you can just pick the destination page URL, post it here, and generate your affiliate link. Once you're able to promote that through content or social media, you can get paid based on sales. All you need is an audience, or a niche audience that's actually interested in that digital product. I do hope you found this helpful. Like I said, I'm going to be attaching a video on how you can start seller affiliate marketing. It's super simple. It's an easy entry, especially if you want to focus on selling digital products. And if that interests you, you want to click the link you see on your screen right now to go check it out. Ciao.